This new flood insurance reform, it's crazy. Hey, but listen, here are the solutions, okay? Guys, look, 4.48 million people may not even be impacted at all by this. That's 80% of policies may not be impacted by this. So right now, guys, I'm gonna tell you how to easily and quickly find out if you are being impacted. We're gonna talk about how to avoid or possibly delay the impact on you and on your wallet, and then what you can do to go ahead and fight. So check this out. Hi, I'm Brian Heckman here with your useful tip of the week. Guys, the whole flood insurance reform, this Bigger Waters Act, hey, I'm gonna really simplify this whole thing for you. Okay, let's start here. You are impacted if your home is built before 1975 and it's in a flood zone A, a flood zone V, or a flood zone D. Okay, so next question is, so if your home does fit into both of these, then you're gonna need an elevation certificate, okay? And we're gonna talk about that in just a few minutes and how to get that and what all that entails. But next, when will this impact you? Okay, so if it is your primary residence, this will not affect you until you go to sell your house. Yahoo! Well, the only problem with that is when you go to sell your house, guys, the buyer of your house, their premium may increase by as much as 10 times, maybe even up to 25 times as much as what your policy is. So an insurance buddy of mine told me that he just had this situation. The buyers of one of his customers' houses, their policy increased and it was like $50,000 a year. So guess what happened? Yeah, they're not selling their house anymore, right? So as much as you think it's not going to impact you because you're going to stay in your house, you may not ever be able to sell if we follow this whole law. So hey, the second thing here is if you purchase your home after July 6th of 2012, then at your next renewal, you might see all this stuff take place. So again, up to 10 to 25 times your premium. Okay, now, if this is your primary residence and your policy is up for renewal next time, hey, don't forget to pay your policy, because if you don't pay and your policy lapses, you might be reverting back to this existing thing, even if there was some way that you might have delayed it or avoided it before, okay? Now, if it is not your primary residence, okay, you will have a rate increase the next time that your policy renews. This all went into play October 1st, so we're already in that time period. So you're probably gonna get one of these ugly notes in the mail next time your policy increases. Guys, let's hope this all goes away and fast. But you know what? You rely on me to help you with all things real estate. So check this out. Florida has paid in about $16 billion into FEMA. And you know what? Yeah, how many claims have been paid back? About 4 billion. So it's totally disproportional. Here's what you need to do, okay? Click that orange button below right here, and here's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get the links to find out if you are even impacted by this, or if maybe you're falling into the 80% that's actually not even impacted by it at all. You're gonna get your complete FAQ on all this flood stuff, including a very crucial way that you might be able to delay or maybe even avoid having this increase. This is a big deal here. And then number 3 is gonna be where and how to get an elevation certificate. And again, there's gonna be a huge how to delay your increase of premium. It's a big, big deal. And then number 4 is gonna be who to call in order to stop this whole thing. So go ahead and just click right below there on the orange button and let us know where to get you that information. I'm Brian Heckman. You can rely on me for mortgages, information, and ideas.